See this right here? This kettlebell is one of the best weight loss tools for you as a busy guy. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder here at the Fit Father Project, and we help busy guys in their 40s, 50s, and 60s lose weight and build muscle and get strong and healthy for their families. And one of our favorite tools in the world for getting guys in shape is kettlebells. So I'm super excited that you found this video and that you're interested in kettlebell weight loss workouts for men. My promise to you in this video is we're gonna cover an actual routine that you can start doing this week to really improve your weight loss, your strength, your energy levels, using just a simple pair of kettlebells or even dumbbells. So I'm gonna show you that exact routine. But before we get there, I wanna talk about the big picture of why kettlebells are so effective for weight loss and why they're even more effective than other kinds of exercise that you could be doing. And the reason is if our goal is to lose weight, we want to do a combination of strength training to build muscle, because muscle helps increase our metabolic rate. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn every single day, so the easier it is both to lose weight and to keep the weight off long term. So we want to build muscle. We also know that cardio is important too, getting our heart pumping, burning those calories, and the benefit you get, not just burning calories while exercising, but if you exercise properly, you actually burn calories after exercise. It's called this afterburn effect that happens. So the beautiful thing about kettlebells is it combines all of those into one. You're working on the strength and you're getting the cardio at the same time. So the way we like to design kettlebell workouts for men is we do what we call kettlebell complexes. And what that means is we're gonna take some of our best strength training exercises, things like squats, rows, shoulder presses, swings, and we're gonna combine those into a circuit. So you're getting the strength and you're getting the cardio and the fat burning all in one workout. And that's what makes kettlebells so effective. So if this is your first time here at the Fit Father Project and you're just learning about us, well, we have a 30-day program that over 10,000 guys have used to lose over 75,000 pounds of fat. And the main workout that we use in this 30-day program is a kettlebell workout, much like the one I'm gonna teach you today. So I wanna let you know, even if you never join our program, we got your back here, and we're gonna teach you some of these things and the foundations. But point being, these kettlebell complex workouts work, especially if you're a busy guy who doesn't have a lot of time and wants to really see great results. So let's dive into it right now. We're gonna walk over to the gym and we're gonna get into an actual flow that you can do with the kettlebells at your own home. And I'm gonna show you the exact 5 movements, how I recommend you sequence it, and I'm gonna offer you the opportunity to download our free 24-minute fat burning workout, where I'll actually send you another video of another great kettlebell workout with the actual download PDF. And my challenge is that you do this free 24-minute fat burning workout. Get that sent to your email and do that this week, 2 to 3 times per week. But for starters, we're just gonna cover some of the foundations in the gym. Let's head on over there. All right, so I wanna show you a simple kettlebell complex workout that you can do with a single kettlebell in the comfort of your own home or the gym. And the reason I love kettlebell complex workouts is because we're gonna be able to take the best strength training exercises and combine them into one circuit. So what we're gonna specifically do is take 5 exercises. We're gonna take a swing with the kettlebell, and we're gonna immediately do 10 swings into 10 squats, into 10 overhead presses, into 10 rows each arm, and then 10 push-ups. So super simple. We're gonna take some of these best strength exercises and do them in a circuit. So I'm gonna actually demo this for you right here with a single kettlebell. I have an angry chimpanzee kettlebell today, which is kind of fun. Definitely don't need one of these to do this workout, but with a swing is one of the best kettlebell exercises, period, and is actually one of the ones that shows the greatest metabolic boost. The key is to start hinging at your hip, and you're gonna fire your glutes, and that gets the kettlebell up. So it may look like I'm using my arms, but I'm really not. I'm using my glutes to fire. So I'm gonna do 10 of these. Fire those hips through. We'll assume I'm at 10. So immediately kettlebell comes up, do a good strong position here, grip that kettlebell hard. We're gonna sit back down into a chair, 10 squats. 1. Stay upright, sit back, kettlebell stays up, hug to your chest. Couple more. We're gonna assume this is 10 here. And we're gonna immediately go into presses, overhead. Press the kettlebell, right on down. Up. Great for your shoulders, your core. Make sure you keep that core tight. Press overhead. A couple more. Last one. Come on down. So now, our fourth exercise is gonna be a row, one arm at a time because we have one kettlebell. We're gonna do a one arm row, kind of like you're starting a lawnmower, squeezing your back and your biceps. So we do one arm at a time, both arms get worked. 10 reps each side. So we'll pretend this is 8, 9, 10. We would switch sides and do the other side. For the purpose of demo, we've done both sides of rows. We're gonna hop down, move that kettlebell out of the way, hop down for 10 classic push-ups. If you can't do 10 push-ups on your toes, do them on your knees. It's perfectly fine. And you're gonna get stronger as you do this workout. So here, good push-up position, down, right on up. For your chest work, and that is 10. So at this point, I've done 10 reps of the swings, squats, press, row both arms, and push-ups. So at this point, I'll rest for 1 to 2 minutes, and I'll complete this circuit 3 to 5 times total for a killer workout. I mean, this first circuit might have taken me 2-3 minutes. So if you do this 5 times, I have a 15-20 minute workout with rest, and it's just amazing. Now, we can make this even more effective. In addition to not just doing the standard circuits, we can do a pyramid style workout, which I'll tell you a little about in just a second, to make this even more effective, where the reps don't stay the same. We actually ramp them up and we ramp them right back down. That's the key to the most effective workouts. I'll tell you about that right now. All right, so I hope you found that valuable. The big picture here is that kettlebells are so effective for weight loss because they combine strength training with cardio and with functional exercises all into one. So they're pretty much the most time efficient thing you can do. And the research shows that certain of these kettlebell exercises, particularly the swings and the squats, are some of the best metabolism boosting exercises around. Incredibly effective. Now we can make this even more effective by putting this workout into what we call a pyramid, where your reps are changing, where you're going up the pyramid and down the pyramid, meaning you're starting off with 1 rep on each of these exercises, working your way up to 8 or 10, then working your way back down. This is the free 24-minute workout I've alluded to in this video, and I want to send it to you. It's a pyramid style workout using these kettlebells and the best exercises, and it is the most effective type of weight loss exercise you can possibly do. So I recommend you check out and download that free 24-minute workout. You can click the links below this video. There's links everywhere. You enter your email, we'll send it straight to your email, and you can watch that video with me on camera and get the download PDF, and then you're off to the races of doing that. But that is the key here. I recommend you do these kettlebell workouts like this free 24-minute fat burning workout 2-3 times a week, spaced out. And roughly these workouts are 24 minutes. So if you do 3 of these a week, you're exercising less than 90 minutes a week, and you're boosting your metabolism and you're losing weight, and you couple that with a good diet and good sleep and good hydration, and you're well on your way to losing all the weight, and most importantly, keeping it off long term. So we can help you with that here at the FFP. Get that free 24-minute workout, and we can start talking to you afterward via email and giving you some of our best tips on nutrition as well. I know you're gonna love those. So I appreciate you being here. If you found this valuable and you're watching on YouTube, give us a thumbs up and let us know. And definitely subscribe to our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. We have hundreds of videos. We're publishing new ones every single week on the best workouts for weight loss, but also in nutrition, supplements, motivation, everything you need to know to stay strong and healthy for your family, to lose the weight and keep it off. We are the Fit Father Project. This is what we do. And I thank you for being here, my friend. I'll see you inside that free 24-minute workout, and I'll talk to you very soon.